Hello, thank you very much for coming to my channel again. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel and become a family. Thank you. 10 health benefits of ginger tea. Ginger is a versatile root with numerous health benefits, thanks to its rich array of bioactive compounds, particularly gingerol. Here are some of the key benefits of ginger. 1. Digestive health. Aids digestion. Ginger can help speed up the emptying of the stomach, which can be beneficial for people with indigestion and related stomach discomfort. Relieves nausea. It is particularly effective against nausea and vomiting, often used for motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and post-operative nausea. Cortisone 2, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, reduces inflammation. Ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce muscle pain and soreness, often seen after exercise. Fights chronic disease. The antioxidant properties of ginger can help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 3. Pain relief. Arthritis relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis, particularly knee osteoarthritis. Menstrual pain. Ginger has been shown to be as effective as some pain medications in reducing menstrual pain when taken at the beginning of the menstrual period. 4. Cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure. Ginger may help lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Cholesterol levels. It can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides, contributing to heart health. Mulbia. 5. Immune system boost, fights infections. Gingerol can help lower the risk of infections and inhibit the growth of many different types of bacteria, making ginger effective against respiratory infections. Cold and flu. Relief. Ginger tea is commonly used as a natural remedy for cold and flu symptoms, thanks to its warming effects and ability to induce sweating. Studies say ASCII 6 weight loss. Ginger boosts metabolism. Ginger can help boost metabolism and increase calorie burning. Suppresses appetite. Some studies suggest that ginger can reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, potentially aiding in weight loss. Blood sugar control. Improves insulin sensitivity. Ginger has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for managing type 2 diabetes. The Fradigrasoaf 8 cognitive health. Enhances brain function. Antioxidant and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses in the brain, potentially improving cognitive function and protecting against age-related decline. Reduces symptoms of neurodegenerative diseases. Some studies suggest ginger could be beneficial in managing symptoms related to Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative conditions. 9. Gastrointestinal health. Prevents stomach ulcers. Ginger may help prevent the formation of ulcers in the stomach lining, which are often caused by excess stomach acid and stress. Improves gut health. Ginger can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, contributing to overall digestive health. Anti-cancer properties. Inhibits cancer growth. Some studies suggest that the active compounds in ginger may help inhibit the growth and spread of certain types of cancer cells, including colorectal, ovarian, and pancreatic cancers. Incorporating ginger into your diet can be simple, whether by adding fresh ginger to meals, drinking ginger tea, or using ginger supplements. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Thank you very much for coming to my channel again. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel and become a family.